Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. My name is FX Ninja. In this video I would like to sensitize us on how to be profitable in the market, even though you have a system that you want to use. When I say a system, I mean an indicator. Majority of traders today use this indicator, but before you start using your indicator, make sure that you have analyzed the market from a top to the bottom. In this video I'm going to be presenting to you a trading system, I mean a trading indicator. But before we go to any of the charts, I want us to together analyze the market and see what is happening in the market. So let me just see, this is step index. Okay, let's just analyze. Okay, we've been talking about the indexes. Let's talk about one of the boom and crash system too. Boom and crash. Okay, this is boom 500. Let's see what we can analyze from boom 500. All right, we have seen that boom 500 so far has been on an uptrend from here, then a downtrend, then back to uptrend again. So we want to see what is actually happening on boom 500. So if you ask me right now, what is happening right now is that there is a break of structure over here. Okay, this is a daily time frame. There is a break of structure. You can see this is a hem pattern. The structure have been broken down. So, and when structure have been broken down like that, price tends to go back to that structure to retest a particular place there, then start moving back to the original direction. So most times in trading, whenever a structure is being broken and price goes back there, like over here, structure was being broken, but price did not come back. Price later came back here. So, and price went back there. There is always a continuation in the former trend direction. So, but let's see something else. Maybe this will add up. You need to, analyze your trade with everything that you have. You can see over here there are also clear of liquidity, which is very, very obvious here. This is the resistance level, and you can see price went up here, coming back, which is a clear of liquidity, very obvious here, and price crashed down. So price coming back into this structure for the first time means that it is only coming there to do what? To retest a place over there. So let's draw our Fibonacci and see what is actually happening. So we see that price is is around the region of our 61.8. okay, that is very, very good. We are looking for price to either return from 61.8 or to return from this OB level. That's the neckline of this structure. So quickly, having confirmed this, we know that okay, obviously price is supposed to be going on a downtrend, but right now we cannot conclude until we go to our lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, to see what is currently happening on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we can see also that price is heading, okay, this is a trend line. Price has broken that trend line. Okay, price has broken that trend line. But if you see if you look at something, this is the recent structure right now. The recent structure is here. Okay, is here. So price has broken down. It has broken the what do we call it now? It has broken the trend line, coming down here, which is very fine. So the only thing we'll be looking for in the market is for price to break down this again, to break down this structure, okay, and then come back to retest, either to retest this structure or come back here. Then what happened? We finally now sell. Okay, we finally now sell. So this is how this works. Okay, we don't just go into the market and start selling, but from what we have here, we can still take advantage of this sell, provided the indicator is telling us to do so. So let's head over to boom 500 and on what I have down here, to the system. Okay, boom 500, where are you? Okay, we have boom 500 here. Wow, you can see what is happening. Having analyzed our chart, knowing fully well that this is a clear of liquidity over here, and price giving us this sell gives us the hedge to sell the market. But we can't sell yet because we are looking forward to this trend line being broken, okay, and possibly clearing this structure over here downwards, then price continuation. So but if you go to our 15-minute time frame, you can see we have been having a lot of entry, okay, for that sell. Okay, we will have scalped a lot of sell signals here, because the sell signals correlate with the MACD over here printing down. You can see this latest one correlating with the MACD, so it's a sell for us. We will have been taking our profit down here. But let's look at the trend line too. Let's look at this trend line. If you want to take trades on, maybe you want to take trades on the trend line, you can see a lot of confirmation signal asking us to buy boom over here. So this is how the system works. Let's go back to some of the indexes. You can see over here we have a structure being broken down here, okay, and you can see from the stop hunting zone, we know that, okay, the market has stopped hunted, and price is going to fall from this zone. And from that place, you can see a signal correlating with the MACD to sell, and of course price is selling. So, and where is price heading to? Price is heading down here. Very confirmed price is heading down there. So during the course of the selling, we can have price do this, go back, but having it go back, it will still continue to sell. So the system is still going to give us another arrow for sell confirmation. Majorly what this system does is, when you have a buy trend, just like what we have here, when you have a buy trend, it will give you, and when we have a buy trend, majorly we have to take signals that correlate with the MACD on the buy trend. You can see with like this signal now correlate with the MACD, it's a buy, okay. It will when the market is reversing, it will give you another arrow for that reversal, but you should know what you are looking for in the market. What you are looking for is the buy, okay. So you are not going to follow this sell, and majorly the MACD is printing up, so this sell is not valid. So you continuation with this is another signal. You can continue taking it till you hit where your target is. And most importantly, one thing that this system does is that it gives you where to take profit. Just like this current signal now, we are going to take our first take profit here. So it's more or less like a swing system, like a system that tells you this is where you buy, this is where you sell, this is where you can see also here we have a trend line here, okay. This is the trend line, and we have the third touch on the trend line, and you can see the signal here. Even though the price moved backward, you can see the continuation down to where we are supposed to take our profit. So that is how the system works. It's a very powerful system. This system is a system that you can use in confirmation, even if you are an ICT trader or you trade in any or whatever your trading system is, whatever your trading ideology is, this system can be used. You can see this trend line also. We have signals at the edge of those trend lines telling you to sell off. Look at what happened here. At the touching of this trend line, a signal was given, but this signal is not valid. Why? Because MACD is printing up. So that means this trend line won't be respected again, and that's why we have a continuation signal down to this level where the price last tested the trend line, which we all know that liquidity is gathered here. So that's why you see that break, that signal being respected down here, and it gave us a nice profit. So this is how to trade with this system, guys. We have more videos on this system, so do well to go through our channel, okay, to see more of the videos regarding this system. More importantly, if you are interested in this system, make sure you go to the description of this channel right now, of this video right now, and see the link to our Telegram channel there. Chat up the admin and you get the system. Thank you once again for watching our videos. I'm FX Ninja. Bye for now.